more pa kuya. One more. Good job. Good job.
Ayaw kayo! Ayaw kayo!
Race number 433, and Clarice Haka. Race number 439, Lucia Jean Malazarte. Race number 550, Akira Dane Matula. Race number 469, Catriona Caballo. Race number 484, Bethany Hernan. Race number 325, Julia Neves S. Sampala. Race number 310, Abby Pangyan. Alright, so we're down to number 4 years old boys. And yes, I think we still have our kids inside the racetrack right now.
Good job kuya. Good job.
Alright, congratulations and good job, kids.